Welcome back to the Digital Wealth Show, where we simplify how to make money online. Emmanuel here, your host, and today we are looking at how to build a simple affiliate marketing funnel. Right? How do you build a simple affiliate marketing funnel that makes you sales even while you are asleep? So sit back, relax. If you have your pen and you have your jotter, a cup of coffee will be fine. So let's get started. All right. Now, why do you need a funnel? All right. If you've ever wondered how top affiliate marketers make sales without constantly posting links, this is the answer. It's simple. They use funnel, right? I mean, in previous episode, I've talked about funnel, but today we're looking at it in real terms, in real sense. All right. Let me explain. When I first started affiliate marketing, I was hustling, posting links, messaging people, hoping for clicks. I'd make few sales here and there, but it's exhausting, all right? Then I learned about funnels, systems that collect leads, build trust, and sell automatically. That's when things change, all right? I built one simple funnel. I started waking up to notifications that said, you've earned a commission, you've made a sale. That's when I realized smart systems make money. Hard work alone, does not. So funnel is what automate the process for you. So what's a funnel? A funnel is simply a guided path that takes someone from stranger to buyer. It's like a salesperson that works for you 247. Now, example, let's look at this example. Imagine this. Someone clicks on your ad, maybe on YouTube video link. The person lands on a landing page where you offer them a free gift. They enter their email, maybe their phone number. You start sending them helpful emails that build trust. Then they buy. After some time, they buy your recommended product. That's funnel in action. Simple, automated, and scalable, right? Let's look at these three stages of a winning affiliate funnel. So there are there are many types of funnels, but for the affiliate marketer, for you, only three main stages are recommended. All right. And it's not complicated. We made it very simple so that anybody can do it. So let's go. Stage one, the lead magnet page. Now, what's a lead magnet? You already know the lead magnet is something you give for something, right? It's called an ethical bribe. You give them something in order to collect something. It's pure and clean. So your funnel starts with a lead magnet, something valuable you give away for free in exchange for an email address and, of course, a phone number. Please, in 2025, when you build a funnel, don't just collect email address alone. Please collect phone number because once you have phone number, you have access to WhatsApp, and WhatsApp is very, very effective. Sometimes people may not check their email, but they will read their WhatsApp message. They will, you can get them on WhatsApp. So make sure to collect email and WhatsApp. All right. So they give you their email address, of course, their phone number. This could be so. Is the lead magnet? It could be a free PDF guide, ebook, a short video training, a checklist or resource list. You know. So, example: if you are promoting a weight loss program, your lead magnet could be 5 money habits that burn fat fast. You could turn that into an ebook or into a mini course or anything. The goal here isn't to sell. Remember, at the stage of lead magnet, you are not selling anything. It's simply to capture leads, to get their phone number, to get their email address, to get their name. All right. The key tip here is keep your capture page clean. One clear headline, one benefit, and one button. Simplicity convert. Don't make it complicated. Don't begin to build and make everything a landing page with simple lead magnet, with simple capture form. It's just fine. Make it simple, make it easy for them. Stage two, the bridge page. Warm up. That's when you warm them up. So after they opt in, they land on your bridge page. This is where you connect personally before sending them to your affiliate offer. The bridge page does three things, right? Number one, it introduces you briefly. For instance, Hi, my name is Emmanuel. I help people earn income online. All right. Two, builds trust by explaining why you recommend this product. All right. Three, prepares them mentally for what's next. Example, um, you know, you can say maybe for a video, say, hey, thanks for grabbing my free guide. I've also discovered a powerful course that helps me start earning commission online. It's the same one I recommend to my students. Go ahead, click the button below to check it out. You will see exactly how it works. These steps. Okay, so this is like a script. All right. So when you send them this message, this text warms them up. All right. So that when they see the affiliate offer, they're already interested and ready to buy, or ready for the next stage, which is stage three. So stage three, the email follow up sequence. Now, some people at stage two may actually end up taking action, but very few. Now, one of the greatest truths I discovered was that the number of people that buy from you the first time they see your offer is just is less than it's actually less than if you get up to 30%, that means you got so much. You can actually get as low as 10% or less. So the remaining 90% or 80% or 70%, you're still going to follow them up before they finally make up their mind. So it's very important that you know that you need to follow up. All right, that's where the email follow up comes in. So that's the magic part. Now, 80%, I mean, this is according to research, that 80% of your sale won't happen on day one. People they need reminders, they need stories, they need value, they need, to see that this thing is working. So that's what your follow up emails should do. So let's look at the email series. So, email number one, welcome the subscriber. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. This is the free gift that I promise you, blah, blah, blah. You give it to them. Number two, you add value. Share helpful tips related to your product. Oh, this is how I was able to do this. I was able to do that. I was able to do that. This is how you can also do the same. Four, three, I beg your pardon, tell stories how the product helped you or other people. You can say, oh, this product was able to help Mr. A, help Mr. B, or this is how this student was able to use it to do this, to do that, you know. Then email number four, handle objection. Why it's worth buying. Because some people will, I mean, prospects will always have an objection. It may be that it is too expensive, it may be that will it truly work. So you deal with all those objections. For instance, the pricing. Why is it sold at this price? You need to give them the full load of what you have to offer. Or put it in bullet points. Sometimes people don't even know what they are buying until you explain to them what they are buying. So if you don't bring out for them to know that this is what they are buying, they may feel the thing is too expensive. Meanwhile, it's actually given to them for free or closer to free. So handle objections. Then the fifth email, call to action, invite them back to your affiliate link. That's get them to buy something. Remember, that's the goal, to get them to buy something. But all you were doing before was to nurture them, to get them ready to be able to buy. So at this point, you need to use email, of course. Email platform to do this thing. I recommend SendPulse is good. They have free emails, Get Response, MailerLite, several of them to build your email list and automate your messages. Just check out Email Marketing Solid. There are several of them. All right. If you check the description, I will drop some. I have affiliate partnership with Get Response. Which other one again? I think yeah, Get Response, and there's one other one. I'll check it out. Then the links will be in the description. So use any of them. Of course, if you use them, and you sign up to them, of course, they'll give me some little, a commission at no cost to you. In fact, they even give me extra for my, audience. So that's by the way. So check it out because you can't do without email, email marketing platform. It's very, very important to your success. Okay. Now let's look at tools you need to build your funnel. All right. Number one, you need a funnel builder. You can use free or affordable platform like System.io. System.io has free and paid plans. All right. It's great for beginners. You can use ClickFunnels, have beginner, free trial, get response to most email platform, provide you with tools to be able to build your funnel. So, of course, you can build it yourself using website and integrating it with email marketing. Of course, if you go through our digital marketing course, 360 degrees digital marketing course, you're going to learn how to do this yourself and save yourself a lot of money. For instance, instead of paying System IO, you can use WordPress and your email marketing software to do your integration and automate the process. Everything is handled. Inside the course, you learn how to do this. All right. Now, the second one is email marketing platform. Of course, this is where you store your leads and send follow up emails. So you can use Get Response, you can use Send Pulse, and other ones. Like I said, link in the description for the best email marketing software to use to do this. Then, of course, your tracking analytics. Use tools like Bitly, ClickMagick to track which link and pages convert better. Now, these tools, some of them, you can't really use them now because of, you know, you don't have money to pay, except the trial versions. But this should not stop you. All right. This should not stop you. There's always a way to get started. So start with the trial version, start with the free version. Then as money comes in, you can now upgrade to the pro version. Then number four, content and traffic sources. Of course, finally you need content, YouTube, TikTok, blog posts to drive people into your funnel. In the next episode, we're going to be looking at that. So common funnel mistakes. Common funnel mistakes people make, while building their funnel. So let's look at that. Number one mistake is overcomplicating everything. Some beginners often try to build fancy funnels with 10 pages and pop-ups, all those rubbish. So sorry for the word. All those, you don't make it complicated, all right? You don't make it complicated. When you build your funnel, make it simple. Simplicity is the answer. Number two mistake, not following up. If you collect emails but never send messages, you are leaving money on the table. So make sure you follow up because people need at least 5 to 7 touch points before buying anything. So stay consistent. Mistake number three, not testing. Always test your pages. Tweak your headlines, buttons, emails, subject line. Small changes can double your conversion. All right? Now, let's look at your three-step action. Three-step action you need to take this week. All right. Number one, decide on your offer. Choose one affiliate product to build your funnel around. I'm sure by now you shouldn't have problem choosing your affiliate, product because we have already covered that. Step number two, action number two, create a free lead magnet. Very easy. Something small but valuable. A checklist, cheat sheet, or video, or ebook. With Canva, you can do this. With Google Doc, it's not anything complicated. Don't make it complicated. Just something simple. 2 pages, 3 pages. It's just a lead magnet. Build your funnel. All right. Use any of the tool to build your funnel. Then, what is the final call to action? Now, if you want me to walk you through this entire process step by step, how to build your funnel, set up automation, and write persuasive emails, then what do? Join our 360 degrees digital marketing course, which has everything. Or you can join straight the affiliate marketing course. Either way, you're going to get the value of how to do affiliate marketing the right way. Now, the affiliate marketing course focuses entirely on affiliate marketing. Why the digital marketing course covers everything you need to build your online business. All right? Funnels are what separate amateurs from pros in affiliate marketing. Once you set up a system that attract leads, builds trust, and sells automatically, you've unlocked your digital freedom. So in our next episode, we're going to be talking about traffic secrets, how to get thousands of visitors to your affiliate links using free and paid strategies. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, give us a like, of course, share the video with family and friends and anybody you feel needs this knowledge. All right. Until next time, keep learning. What is the next? Keep building, and of course, keep growing your digital wealth. Emmanuel here signing out, and I will see you in the next episode.